In this video, we'll go over some things to try if your Bose portable smart speaker will not power on or charge. When you press the power button or connect your speaker to a charger, the power light should blink or glow. If it doesn't, here are a few common solutions for you to try. If these suggestions don't work, or if you need info on a different topic, you can find more help by visiting worldwide.bose.com/support/PHS. First, if you own the charging cradle accessory, try unplugging the USB cable from it and connecting it directly to the speaker instead. If this solves the issue, be sure the contacts on both the speaker and cradle are clean and free of debris before reconnecting to the cradle. Next, try a different USB charger and another USB cable to determine if either is the issue. If not already connected, we recommend using the Bose charger and cable that came with the product. If your speaker still isn't powering on, try resetting it. On the top of your speaker, press and hold the play-pause button. After 10 seconds, the light ring will blink white while it reboots. When the light ring stops, try using your speaker again. Additionally, if the battery in your speaker is fully depleted, it can take up to an hour of charging before it will power on again. Here is a tip to avoid depleting the battery. When using your speaker on battery power, it enters standby mode if it's idle for 20 minutes, or if you press the power button. While in standby, the power light dimly glows white. Standby only uses a small amount of power, but will slowly deplete the battery over time. It will deplete faster if you've linked Alexa or Google Assistant, since it still listens for voice requests in standby. So if you're done listening to your speaker and don't need the voice assistant, power it off completely to conserve battery life. To do this, just press and hold the power button until the power light turns off and you hear this tone. If you still have trouble getting your speaker to power on, visit our website or contact us directly.